With power restored, Techville returns to its vibrant state, but the harmony is short-lived as a new challenge emerges. A mysterious signal disrupts Cigna, causing widespread communication failures across the city. Once again, the citizens of Techville find themselves in turmoil. NXT, ever vigilant, investigates the source of the disruption. Meanwhile, Burst faces unexpected fluctuations, threatening to destabilize the city's energy supply. As chaos looms, Cigna's network remains crippled, leaving citizens isolated and vulnerable. But amidst the uncertainty, a glimmer of hope emerges. The people of Techville come together once again, using old-fashioned methods to stay connected and support one another. As they work tirelessly to overcome the latest challenge, a breakthrough occurs. NXT and a team of engineers pinpoint the source of the signal disruption and swiftly restore Cigna's network. With communication restored and Burst stabilized, Techville emerges stronger than ever. Once again, the city learns that in times of adversity, unity and innovation prevail. In Techville, the future remains bright, thanks to the unwavering spirit of its citizens and the remarkable technologies of NXT, Burst, and Cigna.